Ever find yourself trying to quickly reply to an Instagram DM only to have the conversation freeze up when you swipe? You're not alone, and thankfully, fixing that frustrating swipe horribly glitch is simpler than you think. Let's dive straight into getting that essential swipe horribly feature back in your Instagram DMs. First things first, let's make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store on iOS, or the Google Play Store on Android, and search for Instagram. If you see an update button next to Instagram, tap it. Developers are always releasing updates to fix bugs and improve performance, and this is often the quickest fix for a malfunctioning feature. If updating doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear Instagram's cache on Android. Go to your phone settings, then find apps or applications, locate Instagram in the list, tap on it, and then tap on storage and cache. You'll see options to clear data and clear cache. You want to tap on clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts without deleting your account information or messages. While you're in the app settings, it's also a good idea to force stop the app. Find the force stop button on the Instagram app info screen and tap it. This fully closes the app, which can often reset background processes that might be causing the issue. If clearing the cache and force stopping the app didn't resolve the swipe horribly problem, a clean reinstall might be necessary. First, uninstall the Instagram app from your device. Once uninstalled, go back to your device's App Store, search for Instagram again, and install it fresh. After reinstalling, log back into your account. This process essentially gives the app a completely fresh start and often resolves persistent bugs that simple updates or cache clears can't fix. Now you should be able to swipe and reply with ease.